Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to change default font. So if you want to change default font, you can go to home menu and then click on the fonts icons in here. So you'll be show for the fonts dialog box. Now if you want to change the default fonts, you can click at these options. Like I will set into this font Arial and you can click set as default. So will be show the notification from Microsoft Word. Do you want to set the default fonts to body 11 points, Arials 11.4 this document only? You can click OK to change only in these documents, or you can change in all documents by clicking at this option. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to change default font. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.